Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel Literary Glow. I hope you are all doing well. So we discuss the topic of introduction to literature, etymology of literature, definition of literature, characteristics of literature, types of literature and the importance of literature. These are all the topics that are very important to understand the literature. Etymology of literature. एटिमोलॉजी ऑफ लिटरेचर को अंडरस्टैंड करने से पहले हमें पता होना चाहिए कि एटिमोलॉजी है क्या. एटिमोलॉजी इज़ द स्टडी ऑफ ओरिजिन एंड द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द वर्ड. इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट एटिमोलॉजी ऑफ वर्ड लिटरेचर, लिटरेचर का जो वर्ड है वो लैटिन वर्ड लिटरेरा से ड्राइव हुआ है जिसका मीनिंग है लेटर. डेफिनेशन ऑफ लिटरेचर. Literature is defined as body of work, either written, oral, or in a visual form having an aesthetic value. Expression of life through language in an artistic manner is called literature. Literature is the communication of the writer's experience of life. Literature is the reflection of life. Characteristics of literature. Literature should have a theme. It should explain the relevance of the theme. Literature should have a compelling idea. Literature should have good style and grammar. Types of literature. Two types of literature: pure literature, applied literature. Pure literature. A literature that only gives an aesthetic pleasure is called pure literature. For example, Ode on a Grecian Urn by John Keats. Applied literature. A literature that provides aesthetic pleasure and as well as knowledge. For example, The Origin of the Species by Darwin. And the last one is importance of literature. Literature enhances the knowledge. Literature communicates experience of life. Literature preserves history and a culture. Literature enhances your command over a language. Literature expands person's vocabulary.